that?
It's the video. Good morning, Angel. You're very alert again this morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, Mama, I did. I have a little bit of a stuffy nose, and Mama doesn't like that. Look at those big lips. And those blue-gray eyes. And there's your eye. There's your lips. Just maxing and relaxing right now, huh, Duder? Gonna have some visitors today. Can you give a little fake smile? No? Alright. I'm content with this. I love you. Ooh, stick that down. Are you hungry again? Kinda looks like it. We'll eat, buddy. Love you. Bye-bye.